beautiful art exhibition over here, which I would encourage people come, read, understand more about it. Sir is over here, excellent artist.
There is the painting exhibitions. It's called Compassion of Canvas. What is the compassion? Fidelitus Gallery decided to donate all the sales to the Shilpa Foundation to encourage this kind of social cause. And you can see and enjoy the paintings. And at the same, if you want, you can buy the painting also to support the good cause. Thank you very much.